Using toilet bowl cleaner on tubs and showers can permanently damage finishes and present a safety hazard. Toilet bowl cleaners often contain strong acids or bleach that are formulated for glazed ceramic and porcelain bowl surfaces, but those same chemicals can etch acrylic, fiberglass, cultured marble, natural stone, painted surfaces, and many metal finishes in showers and tubs. When an acid or high chlorine product contacts these materials, it can remove the factory seal or microtop layer and create dull spots, white stains, or roughened surfaces that trap dirt and are impossible to fully restore without refinishing. To avoid damage, always read the product label and use cleaners explicitly labeled for tubs and showers, selecting non-acidic, pH neutral, or mild alkaline formulas for acrylic and fiberglass. For natural stone, choose stone-safe products that avoid acids and bleach entirely, and for metal fixtures, use a mild soap solution and a soft cloth to prevent corrosion and finish loss. If you need extra cleaning power on soap scum, apply a paste of baking soda and water, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then agitate gently with a non-abrasive sponge and rinse thoroughly. Always ventilate the area, wear gloves and eye protection when using concentrated cleaners, and test any new product on an inconspicuous spot before full use. Common mistakes include assuming all bathroom cleaners are interchangeable, which causes finish etching. The fix is to match cleaner formulation to surface and do a small patch test first. Another issue is leaving harsh cleaner residue on a surface, which continues to react and worsen staining. Rinse thoroughly with plenty of water and dry the area after cleaning. A third concern is mixing chemicals like bleach and acid, which can produce toxic chlorine gas. Never combine products, work in a ventilated space, and if a stronger result is needed, choose a single product rated for the surface or call a professional. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics like safe cleaning and surface care, and we help people find local professionals who offer repairs or refinishing. We host a discussion community so our members can share experiences, ask questions, and learn practical tips from others who have dealt with similar cleaning and restoration challenges.